Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you are trying to use the nearby people feature on Telegram, but nothing is showing up. There is no users, no groups, or the option itself just won't load. Trust me, you are not alone, and this issue is super common and usually tied of permissions, location accuracy, or outdated app settings. So in this video, I will walk you through the best methods to troubleshoot this problem, and you don't need any other external devices for that. Whichever device you are using, whether it is Android or iPhone, these fixes are going to work for you. So stick around till the end for the bonus tips that many users miss. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So Telegram relies on your phone's location, and it actually needs the precise access to detect the nearby users. If it is not enabled correctly, nearby people won't show anything. So here is how you can fix it. First of all, you will have to open the settings of your phone. Afterwards, you need to just scroll down and tap on apps. In the apps, you will see manage apps option. So in the manage apps, you will see all of the applications that are basically installed in your device. So you will have to use the search bar in the top and search for Telegram. Now after tapping on the Telegram's icon, you will be landed in the app info section. Now over here, you need to just scroll down and you will see app permissions and other permissions option. So first of all, tap on the app permissions option and try to look at the location option here. So you will see call logs, camera, contacts, notifications, and here in the not allowed section, as you can see, my locations are turned off. So you need to simply tap on that, and afterwards you will see 4 different options. So you can allow it all time, or you can select allow only while using the app. I would recommend you to select the second option that says allow only while using the app, because this will just save you a lot of data. Then you need to make sure that your Prezi location is also turned on, and this is super important. Afterwards, you need to go back in your Telegram application and then tap on the 3 lines in the top left hand corner, select people nearby, and you should now start seeing local users and groups, or at least the feature should be active. Now the pro tip here is that if the feature is still blank, your GPS might be off. So you can just proceed to the second method that I'm about to show you. Now, as I said earlier, another reason would be your GPS is off and it is set to low accuracy mode. Here is how you can basically fix it. So first of all, you need to pull down your quick settings menu, and over here you need to tap on edit. In your editing section, you will see GPS mode. So you need to tap on that icon and you need to turn it on. Afterwards, you need to go to the settings of your device, and over here you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and you need to simply search for location. Now over here, after searching for location, if you are able to find it in this list, you need to simply tap on that, and after that you need to tap on location services. Now over here you need to turn on the location services, and you can even tap on improve accuracy or use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for location. So this is going to help Telegram to get a more accurate location, especially indoors or in the crowded areas. So now you need to reopen your Telegram, head to the people nearby, and you will start seeing nearby users and public groups. Now Telegram only shows the users who have also opened this feature recently. So if no one is nearby right now, the list may still be empty. So that's normal. And you can even try updating your Telegram app if the option is still not showing to you. For that, open your Google Play Store or App Store, and from here you need to tap on the update option in order to update your Telegram application. You can even just restart your phone, and after that you can reopen your Telegram app to see if that option is now working. So these are some of the fixes that you can use in order to troubleshoot this issue. So if it helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more Telegram tips, fixes, and how-tos. If you are still stuck, you can drop your issue in the comments and I will help you out personally. Thanks for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one.